Hi, let's talk about operations with integers, okay? But before we talk about adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing with integers, we have to first look at integers and the number line. And so I'm going to draw a number line real quick, and that's simply just a line with numbers on it. I usually put 0 in the middle, and then I'll count out to 1, 2, and 3. Now, because we're dealing with integers are counting numbers and their opposites, I'm going to put the negative numbers in. So I'm going to put in -1, -2, and -3. Okay, and this is my number line. All right, to the right, we're positive. To the left, we're negative. Okay, and I draw this if I'm operating with integers, adding and subtracting. It's important that I know this. That I know the right side is positive, left side is negative. Here's 0, and we can go to the right or to the left, okay, on that number line. Okay, and we can even plot points too, all right? So if I plot, -1, 0, and 1/2, or 0.5, okay, what I can do then is I can go in here and put a point at -1, a point at 0, and a point at 1/2. We'll just create that right there in the middle. All right. And, some place where you see this in the real world is when you're talking about temperature. And if we're doing temperature, usually I draw a line, a vertical line like this, okay? And I'll put degrees Fahrenheit. And we can kind of put whatever we want on there. But, if we're talking about room temperature or something like that, I'm just going to make a bunch of tick marks on this. And we can say like that this is 70 degrees, okay, about room temperature. I forget if that's actually 70. I think it's 72 degrees. Not really sure. But, we can, look at a number line like this. And this is something that a lot of you guys see, every day. And so, if the temperature right here is at 71 degrees, we can plot that point. If you're looking at a thermostat, they've got those, the mercury rises and it shows you that on a number line. So it tells you what temperature it is. Okay, and you can also do this horizontally. All right, it doesn't matter, if you want to do a vertical line, number line, or a horizontal number line, they'll serve the same function. Okay. And let's use time as an example. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw 3 different number lines. And under each of them, I'm going to call them different things. So this one we're going to call seconds. This one we're going to call years. And this one we're going to call months. Okay? And I can label these things whatever I want. But if I come in here and put arrows on for seconds, we always start time at 0. Okay? And, I can go up by, say, 2s. All right, and so I don't have to go up by 1s each time to get seconds. Now in years, that might look a little different. Maybe our graph wants to start at 0 and go up by 5 years, okay, and have that be our scale. All right, so, we can go up by 5s. And if we're talking about years, that's what we choose, okay? If we talk about months, I would start at 0, and maybe I would go up to say 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. All right, and I can go that standard route as well. So what I want you to gather from this is that, you can choose what you want to label these number lines. So choose the label for the number line. Okay, and you can choose your scale. Okay, and scale. All right, so that's what we've got. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.